If you haven't heard about it yet, I am writing a book, and this is a beginner game development book using GameMaker 2.3. So if you are a newbie, then this is going to be perfect for you. But this is also geared towards people who want to start making games. Anyone who wants to start making games, irregardless of what kind or what engine they ultimately want to use, this book is an entry point for everyone. Now, the way this book is broken down is going to be into daily exercises, and my goal with that is to hopefully fix one of the biggest problems which you have probably encountered yourself, that motivation or the habit of working on your game. Because we all know that when we have an idea, the beginning part of that is the easy part. Sitting down and writing out a little bit or working on your project for a couple of days, that's easy. But after that, continuing is hard. So this book, this physical book which I'm writing, which I'm super stoked about, and I'm going to get to the details of the Kickstarter here really soon, including the early access backer tier that is only available for the first 2 days. But this book I'm writing is broken down into about 30 daily exercises where we work on coding and game design and creating a full finished game by the end, but you're going to be doing that over the course of a month. And the really important part is to actually take that month to do it, because you're going to build the habit of working on projects, of coding and game development, so that when you're done with this book, you can then work on your project and you're going to be used to actually doing it every single day so you can complete your project. Now let's get into the details of the Kickstarter. So you can see here that this is the preview page for my Kickstarter. It has not launched yet. It will be live September 18th, early in the morning, depending on where you are. The only difference is going to be, hopefully, that I have some more backers on there. Now, if you are looking at this in the first couple of days, you're going to see a special tier on here. But before I get into that, let me just go through all of the tiers. So you can pledge $5 or more to get your name in the book. And I'm not going to repeat the bonuses that you get because they stack on top of each other so you can see exactly what they are. $15 or more, you'll get an ebook copy, and you'll get this as soon as it's final and done. So that'll be probably several weeks, if not maybe a month before the actual finished product arrives. So if you only care about the ebook edition or you only care about getting it as quick as possible, this will be your best route. $25 or more, you'll get the signed first edition of the book and everything else. But the really cool thing is this right here. So for the first 48 hours, if you back this project, you're going to get everything we've already done, but you'll also get my beginner's course coupon. So it's normally a $29 course, but you'll get it for free just for backing at the same price as you would any other time during this Kickstarter, but it's only available for the first 48 hours. You can use that coupon for the course, for yourself, a friend, or as a discount for any of my other courses if you wanted to do that. At $50, you'll get a 1-hour training session with me as well, so we can go through if you get stuck on something, or if you want me to review your final project and how that's going, then you can do that. And then $100 or more, you'll actually get to help me make the book. So you'll be able to review the book as it is being written, which will be really helpful for me and hopefully a really cool experience for you. Only choose this tier if you have enough time to read quite a bit and follow along, because I need people who can do that and give me feedback quickly so that I can make the changes, because the goal with this is to get everything out by December. I want you to have this book in your hands by Christmas time, either for yourself or as a gift to others. And here's a little gameplay demo of the final project we're going to create called Fluffy Heroes. It is a platformer with a little bit of RPG feeling in there. You're going to have upgrades. I'm going to show you how to tackle that to increase your current abilities and how to add more as you play the game. You can choose between 3 different characters. We're going to have some simple enemy AI, an attack in there. We're going to cover menus, we're going to cover room transitions, we're going to cover everything you need to know to be able to play the game. We're also going to cover saving and loading, which I think is really, really cool, and then a final end game state. So that's the Kickstarter, that's the project, and you can see my goal for this is to actually get that book out by Christmas time to you or to anyone else that you back it for, and send me their address so I ship it to them. And I'm super excited. I hope you are too. This is another way to get people into game development, and the more people in it, the better for everyone, is my personal opinion. And this book is geared towards anyone who can read and write and use a computer. So really no age limit. If they can do those things from 6 or 7 to 100 years old, then this book will be useful to them and they'll be able to follow along perfectly. So I hope you're excited. I know I am. And I'll see you at the Kickstarter tomorrow. And as I always say, keep making, keep learning, and I'll talk to you later.